Okay, brothers and sisters. Now we take a quick break for 15 minutes, inshallah. Warm yourself up with hot tea and some nice snacks which Sister Nusrat has brought. We have 3 sections in verb. Fi'lun madin, past tense. Fi'lun mudariun, present tense. Then fi'lu amrin, verb of command. 3 things. Now, we did fi'l madi. Sahih? Remember, fi'l madi is mabni. It will not change. It will not change. Fi'l mudariya is not mabni. It is mu'arab. Means it is changing. Now, remember one thing, brothers and sisters. In Arabic language, the noun decline. There is a declension of noun. Marfu, mansub, and majroor. That is the noun. In fi'l mudariya, they say the fi'l mudariya has 3 moods. What are they? Moods. In Arabic, we can say halat. Halat is the correct translation. Okay. So, in ism, we have 3 halats. And in verb mudariya, fi'l mudariya, we have 3 halats. And what are those 3 halats, brothers and sisters? Marfu, mansub, and no, brother. What is it? Majzoom. This we have to remember all the time. I give you a simple example. Brother, what is this? What is this? Got the idea, man? Got the idea? What happened here, brothers and sisters? Sister Maimuna, what happened to Yazabun? When it became Mansub, the noon disappeared. Are you with me? When it became Majzoom, the noon disappeared. So, when it is Marfu, the noon is there. Remember I told you a little earlier that we can break fi'l mudariya into 3 sections. Remember? The first section I said to you, 5 in your pocket. So if you have yazabu, tazhabu, azhabu, nazhabu, fine. This is 5 in your pocket. And you see a dhamma there at the end. When you want to make that dhamma when you change it into fatha, the verb becomes mansub. When you change that dhamma into sukun, the verb becomes majzoom. You know, jazam, which is sukun. Jazam, majzoom. Are you with me, brother? Now, then the other section I jokingly told you, we can call it noon aata hai, noon jata hai. Noon comes and noon goes. When the noon comes, when you see the noon in the verb like yazhabuna, that noon is the sign of it's being marfu. And when the noon goes away, it is either mansub or majzoom, depending on what is in front of the verb. So we are going to learn more about this as we progress in our studies. Are you with me? Right now, I only want you to understand that the fi'l mudariya, when there is a noon in it at the end, it is marfu, and if you drop the noon, then either it is mansub or it is majzoom. How we will know it is mansub or majzoom, we are going to learn. And it is very easy, brother. It's very easy. And it's very interesting. Then the third section is hunna and tunna, yazhabna and tazhabna. Now that is mabni. And that noon has nothing to do with noon aata hai, noon jata hai. Because that noon is the fa'il. That is the noon. So this is in short. We are going to understand it fully, inshallah. Fully, and I will be repeating it many times. And it is my hope and my prayers you will all become expert in verbs, inshallah. Okay. So, if it is yadhabu, brothers and sisters, make it mansub, yadhaba. Make it majzoom, yadhab. Okay. And yadhabuna, where is the file? Wow. Sahi? Where is the file in yadhabu? Mustatir. Yadhabuna, where is the file? And what is this noon doing here? Noon is telling me that the fi'l is marfu. What is it telling me? It's marfu. And then when I drop the noon and I say yadhabu, then it became mansub. If I say yadhabu, it became majzoom. Three sections. In other words, brothers and sisters, remember this. This is a golden rule. Noun will never be majzoom. It ends with a sukoon. Are you with me, brother? It ends with a sukoon. Jazam. Sukoon and jazam, same thing, brother and sister. What did I say, brothers and sisters? Jazam, no. You know why? What are the three cases of noun? Marfu, mansub and majrur. It can never be majzoom, brother. Are you with me? Never. Okay. And then fi'l mudariya can never be, brothers and sisters? Majrur. Are you with me? Fi'l mudariya can never be majrur. It will be marfu, it will be mansub, or it will be majzoom, but never ever majrur. Got the idea? We have to remember this. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, fi'l madi is mabni. Fi'l mudariya has got three moods. It will be marfu, mansub and majzoom. And jokingly, I tell you, three sections. One section, 5 in your pocket. Second section, noon aata hai, noon jata hai. Noon comes and noon goes, brother. That is the sign of its being marfu or mansub and majzoom. And the third section is mabni. Brother, sister. Now, fi'l amr is also mabni. What is it, fi'l amr? Fi'l amr is mabni.